Hi, this swap challenge was to create a shattered glass effect on paper. And so what I first did was took some printable like this from Ink and Page, and then you use Louisa Heinzel's method of taking packing tape and squishing it over the images. And then I went and laminated it, but I still wasn't happy with how that turned out. It wasn't convincing enough, so I took a very sharp blade and slit into the plastic, and then I'll show you the card that came out of that. Then I needed some way to house it, and I came up with something from Victoria. She had this great specimen album, and so printed out those printables to again house it. And so I ended up with this, which was quite a bit more than I had started out to do, but I was really happy with how this turned out. So here's that shattered glass look, the beautiful printable, and the file folder with it. So I just used two of them. So that's the shattered glass effect. Isn't that pretty cool, huh?